Good day. Today we're meandering Kathmandu, Nepal, heading towards Dharahara Tower. So on our stroll to Dharahara Tower, we're in trouble. We stepped in it. No joke or fun this time. We really stepped in dog doo-doo. So great. Now we're gonna smell all day long. So hopefully we don't have any dogs coming up to us and sniffing us. I can see how the Pied Piper leading a pack of dogs up to Dharahara Tower. He's snoozing, he's not gonna follow us. Anyway, I stepped in it because dogs are everywhere around here, as they're worshipped in Nepal. So dogs just roam the streets and everyone feeds them. No, when visiting, they may look cute and you may want to reach down and pet them. However, avoid it, as rabies is pretty prevalent in dogs and common here in Nepal. In fact, it's a significant health issue. I'm saying that as we're right by the hospital. The puppy wants to cross the road. He's not gonna make this. So I had a little bit of trouble finding Dharahara Tower, but finally got here. And you wouldn't think you would miss it. One of the tallest buildings around here. But for a good traveler, I sure did. Good day, Hygge traveler. Today's venue is Dharahara Tower here in Kathmandu, Nepal. So what's a Dharahara? This is a Dharahara. So it's the opposite of a diorama. That thing's huge. Now the word Dharahara in Nepalese, it means high tower. It's 72 meters or 236 feet tall. And it was built back in 1832. Now, as you can see, Dharahara Tower is a unique structure compared to other buildings in the area. It was constructed as a watchtower for the military. Now, as I mentioned, built in 1832, and when it was built, it was the tallest building in Kathmandu. Because of its height, buglers would be stationed up there, and if they saw anything of concern, they would blow their horns, alerting the troops to organize. Now, check out these pictures of the original Dharahara Tower. I think they're memorable. Now, the picture I shared with you is not the same tower you see today. In 1833, a 7.6 earthquake did damage to the tower, but it was quickly rebuilt. Then in 1934, an 8.0 earthquake did severe damage again. And once again, it was repaired, but only to be destroyed again in the most recent 7-point earthquake that occurred in 2015. Out of its resilience, it's been repaired once again. Now, in the 2015 earthquake, it was unknown how many people, locals and tourists, were actually inside at the time of the collapse. However, they did pull out 180 bodies from its rubble. Now, with earthquakes destroying it 3 times, it's a bit intimidating that I'm going to be climbing this. However, if you do your math, major earthquakes occur in Kathmandu around every 100 years, so we should be fine with only it being 11 years. I don't have 11 fingers. Being 11 years since the last major earthquake. So the entrance fee into Dharahara Tower is 1,000 rupees. That's $7 US. Now, today's Dharahara Tower is 22 floors with a spiral staircase of 213 steps. decade board. So we're now at the balcony. Check out these great panoramic views of Kathmandu. Definitely the military buglers had a great view from up here. Now I don't have a bugle with me, but let's see if I can get anyone's attention. Can you name that tune? That was supposed to be taps. However, it turned out to be nutty words. As I said, doo-doo. That's it. Today's word, we are saying doo-doo rather than jam-jam. However, when I did step in it, the real words I used, they had to be cut from this vlog. So let's doo-doo. You know what? Let's not doo-doo. That just does not sound right. It sounds like words spoken at a dog park. You gotta go doo-doo? Let's jam-jam. So you got fields down here. They're playing soccer on dirt field, but most they're playing cricket. Nepal did very, very well with cricket. See the basketball field, basketball court over here too, and a baseball field. Oh, we got a tennis court down here too. If you look up over here, that's the Monkey Temple that we'll be going to. Oh, well, how well you can see it, but it's a hill over there with, looks like a monastery on top. Beautiful view of Kathmandu here. Now this right here is going to be the 2015 earthquake, the Dharahara Tower that was there when it brought it down. Another temple area right in the Dharahara complex. My hat's getting a little crooked there. Well, that's better. Let's jam down.